Hello everyone, how are you doing? Setiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access fix on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Locate this button reset now. Your PC will be restarted. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set another networking components back to their original settings. Click on reset now and confirm. Are you sure to want to reset your network setting? Click on yes and wait a moment. You can receive this new pop-up message. You'll be about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Click on close, and restart your computer to apply the change. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And this is all. To end the process, confirm this option. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by another PC and device on this network? We recommend allowing this on your home and work networks, but not public ones. I select no. And this is all. You can try open up any web browser to check your internet. In this section, your connection is fixed, and try open up any web browser, for example Google Chrome, and you can navigate in the internet, and this is all. Or try search for any other option, for example Taylor Swift, and your internet is work properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.